afternoon, everyone. My name is Bunthong. I am a senior here at AUPP High School-Foxcroft Academy, and today I'm showing you around the campus. So let's take a look inside. So this is the stationery of the school. So this is basically where you can buy all your study materials like your pen and pencil and other stuff that you can find in the stationery, as well as some snacks, so you can get it from here. And if we turn to this side, this is the canteen of the school, or the cafeteria, as some of you might want to call it. This is where you can come with your friends to eat lunch together. So this room right here is the Center of Student Involvement. So this is what we call the CSI, the shortcut for the full name. And in here we have a place where you can play table tennis with your friend and a place to sit around and hang out. And right across the building you have the nurse office. So the room is A2. It serves us two functions. It has the nurse, and it's the place where you can find your lost items. So let's go upstairs to the first floor. This is the library of our school, room B11, located on the first floor. So in here we have a big space where we can study, but we have to keep our voice down. And inside that room we have places where you can acquire books. If you want to read anything, you can lend it from the library. These tables are for students who want to come and find a quiet place to study. And inside here, that's where most of the library books. Here you can have a wide array of books that you can always lend from the librarian if you want to read any of them. Welcome to our science lab, and this room is room B15, located on the first floor inside the hallway. So in here, as you can tell by the name, this is where we can let our students perform scientific experiments for all three science subjects: physics, biology, and chemistry. So here, this is where all of the equipments are stored, and inside this boxes right here, that's where you can have your elements. Welcome to the third floor of the campus. This is where our high school is located, and here we have three lecture halls. So let me show you one of them. So welcome to our lecture hall. For the high school specifically, lecture halls are used for either one of two things: assembly meetings, and for the joint classes where the students cannot be fit into one small classrooms. So this is what we use here. So this is the main area for our high school, starting from here all the way until the end. So as you can see, on both sides of the hallway we have our classrooms from grade 9 to grade 12. And in the middle, that is the administrative room. That's where you can find the principal and the admin team of the high school. And welcome to the school's garden. This is a place where students can come to enjoy the view and just relax after their studies.